you're experiencing lag spikes while playing Apex Legends, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this easy guide to help reduce or eliminate those frustrating lag spikes. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching Apex Legends, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or downloads can consume bandwidth and processing power, leading to lag spikes during gameplay. Step 3. Optimize in-game settings. Adjust your in-game settings for better performance. Lowering graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, and disabling VSync can help improve frame rates and reduce lag. Experiment with different settings to find the best balance between visuals and performance. Step 4. Change server region. Sometimes, lag spikes can be caused by connecting to a server that is too far away. In the game settings, try changing your server region to one that is closer to your physical location. This can help reduce latency and improve your overall gaming experience. Step 5. Update network drivers. Ensure that your network driver is up to date. Outdated drivers can lead to connectivity issues and lag. Visit the website of your network adapters manufacturer to download and install the latest drivers. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience with Apex Legends. Enjoy smoother gameplay and fewer interruptions.